Hello. Today we'll be talking about matter. Everything around us is made up of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. When I say mass is the amount of matter in an object, while volume is the amount of space an object takes. So everything around us has mass and volume. You can see here the different states of matter. We have the solids, liquids, gases, and the fourth state of matter, which is plasma. Today, we'll only talk about solids, liquids, and gases without the plasma state. Also, you can see here the different states of matter, the solids, the liquids, and the gases. We'll start by solids. Solids have definite shape and definite volume. When I say definite shape, means a specific shape you can hold in your finger, and also it has a definite volume. Solids, they have mass that can be measured by a band balance or a digital balance. Also, solids take up space. We can measure the volume by graduated cylinder. By immersing the solid in a graduated cylinder to measure the volume, we'll study it later on. You can see here the particles in solids. We know that all matter is made up of particles. In this picture, you can see how the particles are very packed, tightly packed together. They are very close to each other and tightly packed. They have very little energy. Because of this, they can vibrate in place. You see the vibration here in the picture. Liquids. Liquids, they take the shape of the container and also they have a definite volume. Also, it can be measured by a graduated cylinder. Liquids have mass and also they take up space. When I say take up space, means also it has volume. As you can see here, the particles of liquids, they are not tightly packed, they are loosely packed, so a little bit far away from each other. They have medium energy, so the least energy is for solids, the medium energy is for liquids. And the particles, they flow around each other, or we can say in the liquid states, the particles rotate around each other in a circular motion. We have the gases. Gases spread out to fill the entire space. They are expandable and they fill all the space around. They don't have a definite volume and they don't have a definite shape. Also, the gases have mass, as we said before, that all matter have mass and all matter takes up space, which means that all matter has volume. As you can see here, the particles in gases, they are far away from each other. They move freely in all directions, have lots of energy. So if you want to arrange them from least to greatest, the least energy is for solids, sorry. Then for liquids, and the greatest energy is for gases. What it would take matter to move from one state to another? If I want to change the solids to liquids or the liquids to gases, what should it need? As you can see here, it needs energy. So if you want to change the solid to liquids, you add energy to the particles of the solid by heating. So you heat the solid, example, the ice cubes, you heat them so they gain energy and change to liquids. Also, when you heat liquids so they gain energy, they change to gases. When energy is added, particles move faster. And when energy is taken away, particles move slower. When I say taken away, يعني when it is cooled. When I say energy is added, means when it is heated. So when it's heated, the particles move faster, and when it's cooled, the particles move slower. You can see here the ice cubes. They are melting, and also the ice cream is melting. It is changing from the solid state to the liquid state. So when energy is added to solids, they become liquids. This change of state is called melting. Examples: when energy is added to liquids, also they become gases. So when we heat the liquid will change into vapor, it will change to gas. Changing state. So we have several names for changing matter. Either we say state change, or we say phase change, or we say physical change, since nothing new is produced. It's only a physical change. It's a change in state. So either the state change from solid to liquid, from liquid to gas, or vice versa, from gas to liquid, and from liquid to solid. Okay? So please, when you finish watching this video, I need you to answer these questions on the copybook. Please. See you soon. Goodbye.